Hello my students, how are you? Today's video is about Space Travel Unit 11. Lesson 1, we have a story. As you know, the previous lesson we read this, but I'm gonna repeat it again. Okay? Here we have a question, where is in the water? You have to read the dialogue very well and then try to do the exercise again. Okay, let's go to lesson 2. I think you did this, but I will repeat it for those who weren't in the meeting. Okay, we have some words. Number 1 is already solved. Let's see number 2. Now, it's a noun, a tube that you look through to see things that are far away. For example, stars. What do we call that? We call it telescope. Number 3, a group of stars that has a name. What do we call that? Sorry. It's constellation. Constellation. Okay, group of stars. Number 4, a person that travels in space. It is astronaut. Number 5, the sun and all the planets. What do we call this one? We call it solar system. Okay, number 6, a place where people live and work in space. We call it space station. Okay, the people who live here in space. Number 7, a special plane that carries people into space and back to Earth. We call it space shuttle. The last one, an object in space that looks like a bright star and has a long tail. It is comet. Okay, we finished with this and let's go to lesson 3. We have this one here. We have some phrasal verbs here and let's know the meanings. The first one, come back. It means to return. For example, you are in a place and I will tell you come back. The next one, come in. For example, you are outside and I will tell you please come in. It means to enter a place. Come out, to appear. Someone is hiding him or herself and someone else says come out. It means appear. The last one, come round, to visit a person at home. Like for example, I will call my friend and I will tell her, please come round my home. It means visit my home. Okay. Let's do the exercise. Read and circle. Number 1 is solved. Number 2, the rain stopped and the sun came out or in. The rain stopped and the sun came out. Okay, came out after raining. Number 3, hello, who are you? Please come in or come back and sit down. Please come in. Number 4, do you want to come round or come out and listen to music this afternoon? It is come round. It means listening to music this afternoon at home, of course. Okay. Let's go to lesson 3. We have grammar here. Listen and read. Who was interviewed on the news? Here we have Jack and Ben. Let's read it. Jack, on the news last night, a reporter interviewed an astronaut in space. Ben, wow, what did he ask him? Jack, first he asked him where he was. The astronaut said he was at the International Space Station. Then the reporter asked the astronaut what he did in space. What did he say? Jack, he said he had fixed a satellite and done some research. Ben, what else did the reporter ask? He asked him who was at the space station with him, and he also asked him when he was landing back on Earth. The astronaut said his work was nearly finished and that he was landing on Earth in 4 days. Now we finished with this, and let's go to the grammar.